In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was. In the beginning was the Word. Who is calling you home to yourself? Who knows your name from the inside of the sounds that make up your voice? Who calls you in the night as the wind breathes upon your window and you keep it locked? Allow this sound in, for it is the sound you have always known. It is neither hum or buzz, the om of self meeting self and self forgetting self. Find its silence, find your song. Words have power to vibrate through different parts of man's body. There are words that echo in the heart, and he who knows the laws of vibrations knows the secret of life. A person may talk, he may argue, show 1,000 examples to make you believe. There is another who tells you something once, and you cannot help saying, yes, I believe it, I understand it, I am convinced. In one person, her mouth speaks. In another person, her heart speaks. In another person, her soul speaks. The person who is in tune with the universe becomes like a wireless instrument. What comes from him is the voice of the universe. Everything speaks. We don't listen to our own sound. Everything speaks. We have been talking to ourselves to avoid these painful thoughts and feelings. Too much talking. You are the voice inside me, and I have lost the ears to listen. hear the voice of your true being, that primordial sound, the sacred sound, blood rushing, thoughts slowing, God speaking. Silence is not absence of sound, it is most full, most deafeningly divine. Your cells sing a celestial song which sounds like a fridge humming, Morse code at sea. It has a pulse and a watery quality. You can hear it vibrating in the sound. And for the non-meditator, this mystical sound can be found on waking when the waves of sleep and breath of dream still seem real and are welcome and ordinary. And then the adept must endeavor to hear this inner sound in noisy places. It is perfectly possible for her to hear this mystical sound vibrating with such clarity that there is absolutely nothing external that can drown it. Your true sound can be found only in the silence, in the pause between breathing in and breathing out. In that space in between, there is silence more than anything else. Silence.